Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to Back to the Futures. I'm here every day on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2. So glad to be here. S&P futures pushing up to new highs here. Nasdaq futures off the lows. Some really great patterns here in the gold market. We got big buy reversals on my indicator 4 on the 30-minute correlating with the 60 and the 15. And then we got the nice pullback around the 12.15 on gold, and gold rallied about, I would say a good, from that level, roughly about $8 to $10 there on gold. Right now, we're seeing the spiders about to get a buy reversal on the 15-minute time frame with a close above the 582.76. And that would happen between now and 1:45. Let's see. With that being said, great pattern here. Market exploded right here. You can see the 15-minute time frame got deeply oversold here on the Qs, which are the strongest of the 4 ETFs, the diamonds, the spiders, and the Russell. The Qs got oversold on the 15-minute time frame, deeply oversold right here. And we then had the pullback. Okay, you had the pullback, a beautiful pullback that is, and then we got the great explosion up. With that, it's important to realize and understand that when you're trading the markets, you want to use the multiple time frames of 15, 30, and hourly, right? And so that's what we're looking at right now. And when you have the markets in a way that when you're lined up the way you are, it's important to understand that when you're trading, you want to be able to have everything aligned. So today, like I said, the Qs were the strongest market, and look at this beautiful pattern right here. So this is the explosion up, rallied from the below like the 43.40. They rallied, boom, in 3 bars. The Nasdaq futures exploded up about 70 handles. And then when the 5-minute time frame reversed to buy, you buy this pullback here on the 5-minute. And just on that pattern alone, the Qs ran 25. The Nasdaq futures ran 25 on that pattern. A beautiful pattern that is. If you can see here, the Qs rallied on that. Okay, the Qs rallied on that pattern rallied. There they go. Look at them go here. Wow, making new highs. So the Nasdaq just ran roughly 30, and the Qs ran roughly 60 cents on that pattern. That's a really great pattern on the Qs there. So again, what we're looking at overall, okay, and then what we're looking at overall is the understanding that using multiple time frames, okay, will give you the best results in trading the markets. And that's key here, okay? That's key. If you look here on the Nasdaq futures on the Qs, you can see that Nasdaq futures, there they go. They traded on the 12.15 bar below 85, and they just ran 30 on the Nasdaq futures. You know, there goes NVIDIA making new highs. Meta was beautiful on that pullback. Q's making new highs here. Okay, there goes NVIDIA making new highs. NVIDIA. Okay, all right. Let's see what else is going on here. All right, beautiful pattern there. Beautiful pattern. What else is going on here? Okay, so what we're looking at there goes, wow, what a monster rally on the Nasdaq. S&Ps, beautiful, just rallied about 6 on that pattern on the S&Ps. Beautiful pattern. There goes the S&Ps. Wow, Nasdaq, S&Ps. I'd be shorting them up here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, the 15s are going to get a buy reversal. So we're going to have to wait for, if the spiders reverse to buy, then the lows are in for the day, and then I would look for a pullback here. But beautiful pattern on the Qs, beautiful pattern on the market here. Okay, Nasdaq just dropped a little bit here. But again, what I'm looking for is if the spiders look like they're going to reverse to buy here on the spiders, on the SPYs right here, you see the algorithm of reverse about to get a buy reversal, then I would be looking to buy the first pullback on the 15 on the 5-minute time frame there. So some great patterns here along the way. All right, and then what's this looking like there? Okay, let's just give me a second here. Okay, I'm just looking at some other names here. Okay, all right. All right. So if the spiders reverse to buy, that means the lows are in for the day, which was the low. I believe the S&P's low were around the 64 and a, I think 62 and a half. I was trying to look the buying down there. And then what you do is you look for the pattern that you want to buy the first pullback on the 15 on the first pattern on the 5-minute time frame. Very important there. Okay, very important. And then what you're looking for, okay, what you're looking for is when you get that pullback after the 15's reverse to buy, you want to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, very important to really recognize this pattern and to be able to trade it in such a way that will give you the best results. Okay. All right. So right now we're just seeing, again, it's very quiet. It's very slow. I'm just looking at these patterns. The MACDs are positive from below the pivot. Look at the NASDAQ. Oh my God, the Qs just ran. Look, they're still going. They're still going. Wow. They're still going here. They're still going. So let's just see what's got it here. Let me just see. Let me just see something. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. NVIDIA, what's that doing here? Okay, NVIDIA, let's see. Okay. Qs are pushing up here, making new highs here, the Qs. Okay. Let's see, getting very overbought here. Getting very overbought here. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the spiders are going to get this buy reversal. This is going to be a good one here. This is going to be a good one. What am I looking at? Let's see what the market's doing here. Okay. Let's just see if we're going to get this buy reversal here. We're going to get a nice pullback here. This pullback, I know this pattern because right now this 30-minute time frame on the spiders are bullish. Okay, the 30-minute time frame on the spiders are bullish. Okay, and then you want to buy the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my, look at that. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful pattern. Okay. Wow. So you had a nice pullback here. There goes wow, Microsoft right back up. Jesus. All right. All right. So now with the spiders reversing here, it looks like we're going to reverse here in about 4 minutes. Okay. Okay. Look at this Tesla. Beautiful. We're going to see what the market's going to do here. Market's ripping here. Now the NASDAQ futures are actually up on the day. Just trying to. Here we go. All right. Tesla, Nvidia. Let's see. Let them drop. All right. Now the 15-minute time frame, I know this pattern. This is going to be a really great pattern setting up on the spiders. The SDSs, which is a Pro Ultra Short. Okay. The Pro Ultra Short. All right. The Pro Ultra Short, okay, should is going to get a sell reversal. So I know this pattern pretty good. Okay. All right. So what you want to do here now is just be very patient for this pullback. You want to just be very patient for this pullback here. Okay. NASDAQ futures dropping. NASDAQ. Okay. So you want to be able. Okay. Oh my God. Look at the NASDAQ drop here. Okay. Nvidia dropping here. Nvidia missed. Okay. This pattern is going to be a really great pattern here, setting up. The 15-minute time frames are getting overbought, and in 1 minute we're going to get the spiders buy reverse. So you're going to see it here, and these MACDs are below the pivot right here. Okay, these MACDs are going to be below the pivot. Okay. Just trying to pinpoint here. Okay. Just seeing what's going on here now. Let's see. Tesla. All right. 15-minute time frame reverse to buy, as you can see it on the indicator that now correlates with the 30-minute time frame. So the trade's going to be, we're going to wait for a nice pullback on the spiders on the 15-minute time frame. This should be a really, really great pattern setting up here. Okay, big pattern that should set up here. So now we got buy reversal. So basically the lows are in for the day, right? The lows are in for the day. Okay, the lows are in for the day. All right. This gold. Gold was just a beautiful pattern on gold here. Let me see if I could bring the GLDs up really quickly here. You can see this beautiful pattern. So the GLDs right here, after I got the buy reversal on the 15-minute time frame, and also got the buy reversal on the 30. And what you look to do is you look to buy the first pullback. Okay, you look to buy the first pullback right here on the 15-minute time frame, and you can see this is the where it went, and you can see what the GLDs did. They rallied about $1, which is $10, which is $10 in gold, and then you got this double blue buy here, and then you got this, which is now the 5-minute time frame correlating with the 15, and then you get this other pullback right here, and gold just ran $3 more. These patterns repeat themselves over and over again. It's important to understand how these patterns work, right? And what you want to be able to do is be able to trade the patterns, be able to trade the market, right? In such a way that you're going to be able, in every way, shape, or form, to be to be giving the best opportunities for you to trade. Okay. All right. So there was a great pattern right there. Okay. Great pattern in the gold. Okay, beautiful pattern on the gold. And now we just got to wait patiently. S&P is making new highs here. So the pullback's going to be really big here. Okay, the S&P is only down 1. They were down 25. Actually, they were down about 30 handles at one point today. And gold making new highs here. Gold just ran 3 on that pullback. Just trying to. Okay. NVIDIA cannot get going here. That's might hurt the Nasdaq a little bit. Looks like the Nasdaq's obviously, the Dow's actually up on the day. Go figure. How does that work on that? The Dow just ran 70 on this buy reversal here. Okay. So you're still negative here on the diamonds. Well, diamond's about to get a buy reversal on the 30 minutes. So if you're trading the YMs, you want to be able to buy the pullback. Okay. Once the 15-minute time frame gets oversold. Just looking at the charts here right now. Again, the trade here is that the spiders, the S&P is the low of 62.5. The lows are in for the day. And now what we got to do, wait patiently here. Okay, what we got to do here is we got to wait patiently for the we got to wait patiently for a pullback here. Russell really is struggling here. Now the Russell just reversed to buy on the 15, so the lows are in for the day on the Russell here. The lows are in for the day on the Russell. S&P futures trying to push up here to new highs now. There goes Microsoft pushing right back up. Microsoft, beautiful. Okay, let's see what's going on here now. And we should get a pullback here. Oh my God, Microsoft. Microsoft ran about 3. The pullback's going to be the trade here. Triple Lindy there, nice on a nice triple Lindy on the. There goes Microsoft right back up. S&P futures making new highs here. S&P's making new highs. Q's making new highs. Nasdaq. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, spiders making new highs. Look at the S&Ps up here, very strong. See if they drop here. Again, the pullback's going to be the way to go here. I don't know if we have enough time for a 15-minute pullback. That's going to be important. Microsoft's nearing the highs of the day. Microsoft. S&P's dropping. Got to wait for the nice pullback here on the 5-minute time frame. Need really nice pattern here. Got to wait patiently here. So now that the spiders, let's see the spiders here. What we should be waiting for here, we should be waiting for a nice pullback. So what we got to do now here, wait for a nice little pullback here. S&P futures, I probably would look to take a scalp short, 97 to 02 on the S&Ps, 97 to 02. Got to wait for the pullback here. There goes Microsoft right back up here. Okay. Now we just got to wait for another pullback here. Okay, the Qs exploded off the 15-minute time frame. The Nasdaq Qs ran 30. Off that low, the Nasdaq ran north of about 120 points. So now that the spiders reversed to buy, the next pullback on the 5-minute time frame on the Qs and on the Nasdaq futures, okay, and the spiders and S&P, I'd be looking to buy them. Okay. Okay. We just got to wait patiently here. Does anybody have any questions at all? This is how I trade the markets all day long. We wait for things to line up, and then we wait for the conditions, and then we wait and we trade them, right? Okay. What else? If anybody has any questions, you want to give me a holler. My number is 914-500-7484. Very excited to be here each and every day, Tuesday and Thursdays. But more importantly, it's about being consistent, learning the markets, learning how to trade the futures markets. Here at Tradier Futures, great platform, great firm to be trading your futures with. Again, you go from paper trading to using micros, from micros into the big ones. This next pattern is a correlation with the 15-minute spiders and the Qs, and we should get a really nice pattern setting up here. Okay. Now, with that being said, again, if anybody does anybody have any questions? And if not, you can reach out to me at 914-500-7484. It's important that you remain consistent, having a mentor like myself who trades and someone who actually has technology to share with you to give you the ability to trade the markets in the most effective way. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. I will see you here on Thursday, okay? In 2 days from 1:30 to 2.
Hey, Steve, there's a question. If you want to, there's a question.
Where? I don't see it. Is it a good time to scalp short the S&Ps on the? Yeah, I would look to scalp short them here, only because the 30-minute time frames are 96 right now. So I would be looking to scalp short it. You know, again, I would switch to micros when you do something like that, right? And then I would just be looking for okay, and I would be just looking for some scalp shorts, okay? So that's what I would be looking at right there, okay? All right, everybody. Oh, I just dropped my phone. Sorry. Again, you know, it's all predicated, okay? It's all predicated on just trading the markets and being able, okay, to you know, just trade the market in a way that's going to be beneficial for you, to be able to scalp them, look for the pullbacks, and then bam, get right in there and trade, look for the long on the pullback. Have a great day, everybody. S&P futures, if you're short, I look to cover between the 94 and 98 on the pullback. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you Thursday at 1:30.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.